everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different type of video for you. I am going to be unboxing my First Fashom box. Fashom is very similar to Stitchfix, so I figured I could kind of explain to you guys this box and what's different from Stitchfix. I'll try everything on and then we'll review it together. Alright, so for those of you who have never heard of Fashom, it's very similar to Stitchfix, Wantable, all of those types of subscription style services. So essentially you pay a fee, they'll send you items, and then whatever you like you can keep, whatever you don't like you don't have to keep. There were initially some differences from Fashom to Stitchfix that I want to cover before I get into the box. So first off, I noticed it's a $15 styling fee versus the $20 styling fee for Stitchfix. My first box was free styling fee, which is nice, and I believe Stitchfix does the same thing. I noticed overall the price points seem to be a lot lower for Fashom than Stitchfix, which is nice. And this is also a newer company, so obviously they're still working out kinks. There's probably less to work with, you know, and things are going to evolve over time. Essentially, the process was very similar to Stitchfix. Stitchfix is the only other styling service that I've used. So I did go through a quiz. I could put in some of my personal style details, what I'm looking for, you know, what I want from this box, etc. And then you do get a personal stylist who sends you items. The main difference I found from Fashom to Stitchfix is that, you know, Stitchfix, it's kind of surprise what you get. Fashom actually emails you 7 options, and then you pick 5 out of that 7 to be sent to you. So if you don't like surprises, or you know, you don't care about the surprise aspect, this is a great option for you. Obviously, if you want to be surprised, it probably wouldn't be the best option for you, but I personally liked it because it gave me a little bit more control and probably is a higher success rate if I know what I'm getting. So I did like that, and so I do know what's in this box, and I know that the prices were on there. I remember they're a lot cheaper than Stitchfix, but I don't remember exactly how much everything costs. I do know that there's some differences in the price discounting, which I'll get into at the end. But other than that, you know, everything else is fairly similar. So I just told them I'm looking, you know, I'm pregnant. They did say that they cater towards maternity women. I did say I'm pregnant. For those of you who don't know, I am 23 weeks pregnant, so I'm about 5 months pregnant here. So I will say, when I know that the person mentioned that they don't necessarily have maternity specific items. They have items that would work for maternity clothing. So we'll see how that turns out. Obviously, I don't have a huge bump right now being 5 months pregnant, but I'm interested to see what, you know, how everything's going to fit. So this is the box that everything came in. It did come pretty quickly. You don't have to do a subscription, and there's not like the regular recurring boxes like Stitchfix has, but you can get it basically whenever you wanted. I believe I placed this order about maybe a week and a half ago, so it did come fairly quickly. So even though, you know, it wasn't scheduled, it did come pretty fast. So the first thing that's on top here is this Hello Beautiful envelope. So I'm assuming this has prices and the styling note in it. So first is the invoice, which we'll get into later. Oh, just kidding. The invoice has the styling note. Never mind. So the invoice here has the styling note. So hello, Sam. Get excited. Your First Fashom box has arrived. Thank you for sending your Pinterest link to help me get to know your style for this first box. In here, you'll find some breezy and colorful maternity wear styles that will help you beat the summer heat. I kept the pieces to a nice in-between tailored and relaxed and flowy silhouette to keep you comfortable, and noted you'd like to conceal your midsection while flaunting your rear, chest, legs, and back. So I hope that you will find that these styles reflect your style and fit your preferences. That was a long sentence. I'm especially excited for you to try our cute blush pink staccato flowy floral print midi dress styled with a statement necklace and sandals / wedges / sneaks for an effortlessly chic summer look. Another long sentence. Please do send us your feedback for individual pieces, as it will help me with your next styling session. If you need an exchange, email us at hello@fashom.com. I hope to style you again soon. Take care, your stylist, Morgan. Okay. In here is just kind of the instructions. Try before you buy and purchase your favorite items. If it's not a fit, free returns or exchanges. And then the savings. So I guess the savings are if you buy 3 or 4 items, you get 25% off. If you purchase all 5 items, you receive 30% off. And for each Fashom box sent, they donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue, which is a dog rescue. So I love that. Cool. So let's go ahead and get into the box. They send you a return package like every other site does. And then this is the package here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So the first thing that we have is a kimono. It's crescent. Let me read from the invoice, I guess. I usually like to do the invoice last, but we're gonna have to read from it. It's the Paper Moon Cactus Flyaway Kimono. I don't know why it says crescent on it, on this tag, but, oh wait. Yeah, it's saying that this says Crescent is the brand. So I don't know if the brand is Crescent or it's Paper Moon. Nothing says Paper Moon on here, but whatever. It's a kimono. It's like a half sleeve with little cactuses on it. So this is super cute for summer. Definitely could be worn maternity or not maternity. And then this is in a size medium. So it's like this orange color, and then it's got little black and white cactuses on it, if you guys can see that. So this is super cute and would be great for the summer. Okie dokie. Next we have the Mito Shop Bamboo Cutout Black Crew Neck Knit Top. So this is definitely not black. So I don't know if that like means something, but this is definitely in the color teal. So this is just kind of like a basic tee with a cutout in the back, and this is in a size medium. It's just kind of like a longer shirt, could be worn with leggings or jeans or shorts or whatnot. So just kind of a nice basic teal color. Next up we have a dress. I can open it. So this is, okay, this is the Staccato Round Neck Floral Print Tank Maxi Dress in a size medium. So it's just kind of like a floral maxi dress, and it's got like a, it's like a rose color, and then it's got, let me pull this up a little bit more. It's got these floral designs on it. It's just a tank dress. So again, I don't think any of this is like necessarily maternity, so we'll see how these fit if it's a medium. All right, next I have a tank top. This is the Paper Moon Everly halter top. This is also in a size medium, I believe, and it's just a like navy tank top with like these rainbow stripes on it. So that's super cute. Again, I don't particularly think this is maternity, but it is really cute, kind of high neck. And then the last thing is, if I can get this on the right way, this is the White Birch Andrea Sleeveless Stripes top in a size medium. So kind of a flowy tank, and then it's got this little striping on the back, and it's white and yellow stripes. So this is super cute. So everything that I've gotten is cute. I'm just nervous about how it's going to fit maternity wise, but I'll try everything on so you can kind of see what it looks like. Okie dokie. Here is the White Birch top. So as you can see, it definitely works with a bump, and I think it would, you know, again, I don't think these are necessarily maternity clothes, but this definitely works for me and, you know, my outfits and everything. Here's my little bump update. I'm just wearing normal white shorts that I own. This is a really cute shirt. I like the back. The only thing I'll say, I don't know if you guys can see this at all, but there is, and I'll come in a little closer, there is like a little like weird stain thing here. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like weird discoloration. So I don't know if it's just this shirt, but if I am going to keep this, I would want to get a new one. But it's just nice and breezy. I like the back. You guys can see that. Overall, I think this is a cute shirt. It works well for the summer. You could wear this with jeans, with shorts, with anything. So overall, very cute basic. Here is the next top. Here's that rainbow top. I really like this too. It's very similar to the other shirt I just had on. It is definitely not maternity again, but it works with the bump. So you could wear this, you know, non-maternity or maternity. It's a high neck, so I'd obviously have to wear a strapless bra with this. But overall, you know, it's kind of like a ribbed material. Here's the back. So overall, I really like this shirt. Just another good basic to wear with shorts and things like this. Here is the Mito Shop top. So this is a really good color. I like this a lot. It would work for, again, maternity and non-maternity. I keep saying that. And it's, you know, great to tuck in. This is the back. So it's got that cute little back. This is it not tucked. It would look good with leggings too, especially postpartum. I think this would be nice. I'm sure you could tie it too, which would be cute. Let me try that out. If I can get this tied. There we go. So that's what it looks like tied. So yeah, I really like this. I think this is super cute. Could work with a lot of different things. And it's really nice and soft. So one more time. This is the back. So overall, good basic. Alrighty, here is the kimono. I love this kimono. It's adorable. It's very different and good for the summer. It's got like a slit right here. And it's nice and long. I love this. I feel like you could wear this, you know, maternity and non-maternity. Again, I know I keep saying that, but this is super cute. I'm going to pan down so you can kind of see everything. But that's what it looks like, you know, kind of where it hits. So overall, this is a perfect summer piece. Could be a bathing suit cover up, or just wear this, you know, with a dress, with this outfit. So love this. Last but not least is the dress. So I know I can't get this full thing in the frame, so I'm gonna try to back up as much as I can so you can see everything. Here, let me just. All right, so I hope you can see everything here, but this is the dress. It is really cute and does fit. I don't know if I love it though. I feel like it's really cute from the front, but I feel like from this side, it's not the most flattering, especially if I did want to wear this postpartum. I just feel like it's kind of, you know, I mean, it's cute and I like the idea of it. I just don't know if it's the most flattering. You know, I like things that kind of accentuate the bump, and this doesn't really do that. The slip is pretty short, not that you can see it, but it comes like right up here because of my belly. So overall, it's comfortable. My battery died for my camera, so I'm just pulling out my phone. So here's everything in the mirror so you can see. Again, it's cute, but I just don't think it's like the most flattering. I just don't feel like it accentuates the bump. So overall, if I was not pregnant, I would like this, but I just don't think it is the dress for me. All right, sorry about the transformation, but my video battery died, so I'm using my phone just to complete the video. But I want to go over the invoice and then just kind of my general thoughts on everything really quick. So I will grab that. All right, so the pink floral dress, which was staccato, round neck, floral print, tank, maxi dress, that would be, it's $33 full retail price. The Paper Moon Cactus Flyaway Kimono is also $33. The Mito Shop Bamboo Cutout, oh, I was reading that wrong. It says Mito Shop Bamboo Cutout Back Crew Neck Knit Top. I thought it said black, so please ignore earlier. So that teal short sleeve keyhole top, that was $35. The Paper Moon Everly halter top, the rainbow striped top, that's $36. And then the White Birch Andrea sleeveless striped top, the yellow and white top, that is $39. So as I mentioned, they do, if you keep 3 or more items, you get 25% off. If you keep everything, you get 30% off. So my total, if I kept everything, would be $123.20, which is excellent. And then if I was going to keep, you know, less than that, you know, I could do the calculations for 25% off. So they do include like the 25% off total and then the 30% off total. So for example, like the dress is only $23.10 if you get everything, which is crazy. So overall, these prices are way better than Stitch Fix, and that makes me happy. Thinking about everything that I got, I don't think I want to get the dress. And I don't think I want to keep the stripes, the yellow and white stripe top, but I love the kimono. I'm 1,000% keeping that. And then I liked the other two tops, the rainbow striped and then the teal short sleeved one. So I think when I do the calculation, that brings me to like 70 something dollars. And I didn't, this box was free, so I don't have any money that goes towards it, but I think I might keep those. That's what I'm thinking right now. Because I'll get the 25% off. So you really can't beat that. You know, for 25% off, the kimono would be $24.75. The teal top would be $26.25, and then the paper moon, you know, striped top would be $27. So that's what I'm thinking right now. So overall, I definitely like the idea of Fashom better. I feel like the style was way more curated to me, and just my taste, and I felt like the prices are better. Again, for someone who is maternity, I don't know if this would work in my 3rd trimester, so I'll have to see what they come out with or if they have anything for that in my next fix. But overall, I'm highly impressed, so I definitely think you guys should check this out. I will leave a referral link below where you can get, I think it's $10 off your first box, or maybe it's your free styling fee. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I'll figure it out and I'll leave it below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.